everyone, welcome to my channel Rich and Lux. My name is Richie and today I'm gonna share with you something a little bit creative, with all these price increases with Chanel, Louis Vuitton. We want to be creative with our luxury items. So anyways, I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this new item from Chanel, which is their new eyeglasses case with chain. So a couple of YouTubers, I've already seen them unbox these new items. So I had the idea of why not use my own sunglasses case. I recently got myself Chanel sunglasses and got that for Christmas. So I just thought of, maybe I can do something like that, new eyeglasses or a glasses case from Chanel, which is about $1,400 in the website, which is really at a good price point. But hey, if you guys have a Chanel glasses case, then maybe you can also try to do something like this. It's just, having fun with the items that I have. So I have this is a really nice, I believe it's leather Chanel case here, eyeglass case. But because I was inspired by those new releases that these YouTubers unbox, I was kind of like, oh, maybe I should do something nice and creative. So I'm not sure if you know that I have the Louis Vuitton Speedy BB that's in the lambskin, and it comes with this chain, and it is a removable chain strap. So I was like, oh, maybe I can use this to kind of mimic the new item from Chanel, which is the sunglass case. So I thought about this, and if you guys have something like this, or maybe just a simple, gold chain too, like this one, then you can probably try to use that as well. But here it is. So just this chain, and what I did was just actually hook them together to connect them, and then open the glass case, and voila, you have an eyeglasses pouch like the newly released Chanel one. And this one says Chanel here, so that is a good logo there. It's just a good logo. So like little DIYs like this, I guess with all the price increases, we just want to get a little bit creative with our luxury items. So yeah, so that's that. It's just a simple way of being creative, I guess, with our luxury items. You can just actually do it as a bag here, like this, shoulder bag. And then you can also even do a little bit of crossbody, but it's a little high here. But you know how they have all these new mini Chanel cases, and oops, it's showing, the chain is showing. So it goes like that, or you could even do it under your jacket or blazer. So it's nice. The only thing though is when you open it, make sure to hold onto the chain, because it's gonna like fall like that if you're not careful. So, or maybe you could buy those clips too. You can maybe hook here, and you can actually put in your key fob in here, like a really thin card holder, a lip balm, and that's about it, I guess. Or a small hand sanitizer can also fit in here. So that's my little DIY inspired by the new Chanel eyeglass holder case. And I'm not sure if we can actually I was trying to see if I can do some kind of like this, so you can actually do that too. This is too small now for the shoulder, but you can just put it in the crook of your arm here, like so. So just a little something creative, have fun with our items, right? So yeah, cute. Or you can actually try to see I was trying to see if I can make it as like a belt bag type of thing. So let's see, I'm gonna try, okay? So I guess I kind of did it but it's a little, you know, wonky because it's too, the chain is too loose, it's too big, I guess. So unless we could do some kind of trick here, let's make it like you can put that in the middle or just on the side here. So what do you think, guys? Or we could also do, so I have here my card case and my key and also a lip balm. So just the very basic, and yeah, it's just kind of cute like that. So yeah, this is really nice doing things like this. It's just, you know, fun. I want to use it as a shoulder bag. And this is also cute like this. So yeah, it's I think too small. Oh, well, maybe it's fine like this, see? So yeah, just trying to be creative about all our little things here. So what do you think, guys? Fun. All right, so I think that's all I wanted to share with you, and I just want to have fun with all these little things that we do have and buy, and just, you know, make the most of it. All right, that's all. And if you have any questions or comments, just comment down below. Again, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. You know, if you are watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, hope you can click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so we can get, you know, little fun things to do with our luxury things, right? And just have fun with it, and a little bit of creativity, you know, maximizes all our purchases and get the return on our investment, so if I may say. So anyways, again, thank you for watching and have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.